Hello friends, myself Meet Sony and this is my project 4 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So this is the network project. So let's see first requirements. So first requirement is new post. If the user is signed in, then they can post. So first let's log in. After login, user can write here in the text area and then they can post. So when I click on the post, it will display here the first post, the latest post at the top. So this is my first requirement. Then all post at the top, the tab is all post. If I click on the all post, then the user can see the whole all posts that from the different users, and they can also see the name of the user, the content, date and time, and how much the user liked that post. So here the 0 like, if I click on the, then it will display 1 like. So the third requirement is profile page. And at the profile page, user can see the followers and followings and the reverse order all the posts. So when I click on the profile page, I can see the all posts that I submitted, but at the reverse order. And here it is the follower and followings. So there is a one followers and there is a one that I follow, and total 3 posts. After that, following. When I click on the following tab, I can see the all followers post. So I follow one user, so I can see the one user post. Then Pagination. User can see the all post, but at the one page they can see 10. And if there is a more than 10 posts, then they can see at the next page. So here it is second page and this is the first page. After that, edit post. So user can edit their post like this. If I want to edit this first post, then I can edit by this. And it will automatically edit without reloading the page. So when I click on edit, it will edit on that page without reloading. Last is like and unlike. User can like other post by clicking on this heart button, and it will like without reloading. The count will plus by without reloading the page. So this is my project 4 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Thank you.